Best face mask. Wearing a face mask is vital to slowing the spread of the novel coronavirus, along with the CDC guidelines such as maintaining 6 feet of social distance and washing your hands frequently. Since healthcare workers and COVID-19 patients are most in need of medical-grade surgical masks and N95 masks, the CDC also has encouraged the general public to wear cloth face masks. So here are some of the list of best face masks you should consider buying. Number 1. Active Mask. The Active Reusable Mask with microfiber technology is a general-purpose mask for adults. Active protective masks work more efficiently than other 3-layer masks, filter masks, or cloth masks. Face masks made with active protective resist the growth of bacteria and mold fungi that cause odor, discoloration, and deterioration. Its durable protective material, which absorbs moisture, instantly blocks access to contact and resists odor. Unlike other masks that lose their effectiveness and stop filtering due to moisture and humidity, the zinc in this mask allows you to soak, wash, and reuse them without losing effectiveness. Number 2. KN95 Face Mask. The KN95 mask provides 95% filter efficiency and effectively protect respiratory health. Use the KN95 mask to protect against PM 2.5 dust pollen and haze proof. The KN95 mask is the nice choice to wear it when you travel through congested airports, bus terminals, malls, party and busy city streets. Keeps you from dust, smoke, automobile exhausts, etc. Pack of 20 masks are enough to meet your family, staff, friends' demand. And in this pandemic, it's the most effective mask to protect your respiratory system from the COVID-19. Number 3. Fitsprick Reusable Mask. The mask is made of high-quality polyester fiber fabric. It is very comfortable and easy to wear and can prevent the damage of dust, small particles in the air, pollen, etc. Made of 100% polyester, machine wash, hand wash, quick dry, easy to care, and durable. And make sure you do not use bleach to clean. Number 4. Surgical Mask. Comfortable and no pain for the long time use. Bendable metal around nose piece, fit better and more protection. 50 pieces 3-play disposable face mask package in the box. 3-play design with a melt-blown polypropylene filtration layer. It is skin-friendly composite non-woven fiber. Number 5. Under Armour Adult Sports Mask. Made with high-performance UA material designed to be worn all day or when playing sports, and definitely to get protected from viruses such as COVID-19. Structured design sets up from face and lips for added comfort and breathability. Fabric is soft and smooth for next to face comfort and moves moisture from your mouth to the insert layer. Water resistance outer shell features smooth, breathable spacer fabric, antimicrobial treatment on the inside layer to help keep mask fresh. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.